Hello friends, this is Home Chef Pallav. Here's my first YouTube video on preparation of 3-layer chicken biryani. Do like, follow and subscribe me on YouTube and my Instagram handle at Spice and Tarka.
Hello friends, so my chicken is being cooked. Nice aroma is coming. Amazing.
My preparation for chicken biryani, chicken Hyderabadi biryani. My chicken is prepared. The rice, 3 vessels. I'll be coloring 2 in 1 each. One is green, one orange and one white. And I'll be preparing my biryani in this. So first I'll grease the entire vessel with the ghee. This is pure ghee. Why I am doing this is because the rice should not stick to the vessel. So the ghee is properly been greased. I'll put this back. I'll color this 2 rice, 1 color each, one with green and one with red, orange, whatever you call it. This is food color, no chemicals, poured in milk. So I'll just color them up and get back to you. See, the rice has been colored. Orange, red, whatever you call, green, and this is white. I've kept the vessel in middle so that it will be easier for me to make the biryani. So I'll be making a layer biryani, 3 color layer biryani, right? So the layer begins from the white rice. I'll use my hands only, they are clean. I'll spread it all over the vessel. Okay, this preparation is for 2 people only, so as per your requirement, as per your family members, you can take the rice accordingly. I have taken 3 cups of rice. So it's biryani basically, that's why I've taken more rice so that we can eat more, right? So white is done. I'll put some green in middle. Your wish, you can put any color anywhere. These are my random orders. So green has been done. Now I'll put some orange. So my purpose is to cover the entire ground level first. So you know the chicken doesn't stick to the ground. So orange has been done. It looks so colorful and beautiful. I'll take the chicken, I'll take the pieces first, put it one by one, randomly again. You can spread it across all over, and the fragrance is too nice, too nice. I just love the fragrance of chicken. Okay, so here's the bay leaf, tej patta. I'll put the tej patta as well with some gravy. One more piece down there. You can take boneless pieces, you can take with bone pieces, the way you like. I'll put one more piece here and a little of gravy. I'll spread across. Sprinkle it across like this. Okay, so my first layer is done. I'll start with the second layer again with white rice. So total there shall be 3 layers. For me, it is all up to you how much layer you want. Second, again with green. Again spread it across all over. It looks so beautiful. Nice fragrance all over. And the third layer of orange. So you can see the chicken pieces are again all covered up. So my layer is perfect and correct. It is so colorful, so colorful. My biryani has become vibrant now. Right, I'll put some more. Now I'll again put some chicken pieces. I've taken half kg of chicken for 2 people. And for all biryani lovers, you can try this anytime, anywhere. Very easy. Chicken preparation, you can make it as your own way, the way you like. Very beautiful. So I'll cover this with entire chicken pieces, whatever I have. I won't leave anything, because my third layer would be of only rice. So all chicken pieces have been taken up. Again some gravy. Sprinkle up. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Right, so this is done. So the gravy which is left, you can eat that with chapatis. You can make chapatis later and eat that gravy. So the last layer of rice. So I'm almost done. Little rice left. I'll just finish this off. For more such recipes, more such updates, more such videos, you can follow me on my Instagram account at Spice and Tadka. So you can see I've kept this tawa pan heated, preheated. Now I'll keep this vessel, the entire vessel, on the tawa. This is just to keep the rice nice warm. It is on the low flame, very low flame. It will be cooked. Around for half an hour I'll be keeping this. I've taken this small bowl. I've put ghee, some cinnamon stick, cloves and black pepper. So I'll just heat this up. I'm just heating this up a bit. A good aroma of black peppercorns, cinnamon stick. Don't heat it much. So I'll sprinkle this up here, and now I'll cover the lid. So I've covered it, and the biryani is ready. Let's serve this in the dish.